bittersweet celebration in Parkland tonight. Families marking the end of a successful fundraiser, all in the name of school safety. CBS 4's Amber Diaz is in Parkland with the story.
Well, Westglades Middle School is getting the works when it comes to protection for its students. And it's all thanks to one mom who knows the pain of losing a child. When a butterfly floated past Lori and Ilan Al-Hadef at their daughter's grave 2 days after she was killed in the Marjorie Stoneman Douglas shooting, they were inspired.
A big yellow butterfly flew past us, representing love and hope that Alyssa was in a better place.
Out blossomed the Butterfly Project. The Al-Hadef's organization, Make Our Schools Safe, teamed up with Westglades Middle School for a fundraiser.
The goal was to sell 60 butterflies for $60,000, and then Make Our Schools Safe will match that $60,000 for a total of $120,000.
In just 5 weeks, they exceeded their goal. The school put the money towards new bulletproof windows installed a few months back and will soon build a fence big enough to enclose the building. PTO President Pam Miller says she was honored to work alongside Al-Hadef and her husband to make a change.
Any kind of security makes the parents feel better, and plus even some of the kids feel a big relief when they hear that it's going on in our school.
Each butterfly represents a business or family that donated to the fundraiser. But the artwork alone is a symbol of everlasting love Al-Hadef has for her daughter.
Yeah, I think Alyssa would
Proud of both of you.
said that she was proud of us, and thank you for helping to make my friend safe, Mom.
Now back out here in Parkland, of course, the fencing is going to take time. It's not up just yet. In the meantime, though, the Al-Hadefs are hoping to do more fundraisers at surrounding schools to help them with more security. In Parkland, Amber Diaz, CBS 4 News, tonight.